Hello, my name is Alexandra Angarita Torres. I am 25 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Abrego. I am a student of the bachelor's degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. I share my activity task 1, the role of material design. What was the conception of material development decades ago? The conception of material development decades ago was just a simple production that accompanied a wide range of learning resources that only illustrated methods. What does development material demand for teachers? Give at last 6 demands and explain them. For the development of material, teachers are required to produce different methodologies and that the material used is didactic because it is an attractive way for students to learn. At the same time, the development of material requires a reflection for the teacher to produce material with clear objectives, competencies, and standards, who is passionate about facilitating the learning process, who is always willing to teach with good humor and joy, who is innovating his teacher practice to make them more dynamic, who is willing to perform different activities in which different tasks are performed. What are the components of creative and adaptive didactic learning material? The components and adaptation used to elaborate didactic material are the selective material to work with, to have mastery over the subject, to establish goals and objectives, to select content and organize, to create evaluation criteria, the resource that students need to evaluate the skill and difficult that students have. Thank you.